In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some base concepts regarding the network area of the system and affiliate marketing in general. So what I'm going to do is navigate over here to Analytics on the left-hand side, and I'm going to search for downline. So you'll see here I've got genealogy downline. I'm going to select that, and you'll see here I have a basic genealogy downline. So this is a downline of affiliates who have been recruited into the system. Here we have Betty, who is on level 0. This is an affiliate that I have introduced into the system. I've set her up and I've said, cool, you can go and sell my products and start earning commission. She has then recruited Bill Nye and Bruno Mars onto her level 1, and these are people who, in this example, she has recruited as affiliates, and those affiliates are then able to go and recruit more affiliates. Now, in most basic affiliate marketing systems, you are going to have your level 0 affiliates and their level 1s, and their level 1s are going to be the users that they are selling products to using their affiliate links. So that is generally how it's going to work, and you're not going to need to worry about having multiple levels. But in this case, we do have multiple levels. Betty White has 2 levels of affiliates beneath her. Bill Nye has 1 level of affiliates beneath him. So Brad Pitt and Billie Eilish fall onto Bill Nye's level 1, and Bill Nye falls onto Betty White's level 1. But Brad Pitt and Billie Eilish are Betty White's level 2. Now, this isn't something that you need to stress about too much right now. We will go into this in more detail in the more advanced training playlists, but for now, all we really need to do is worry about level 1 and level 0. So I'm going to show you how to get users signed up as affiliates and how they can start selling your products and earning commission on those products. So we're really only concerned with levels 0 and level 1. Now you'll notice here as well that we have different ranks happening. So there's all these different colors and it's nice and fun. And I am going to show you how to set up ranks in the next video so that you can start creating your affiliate program and your commission rules. So here you'll see as a basic example, I've got gold, silver, bronze, and just a plain affiliate. Now you can set up multiple ranks in your system to allow affiliates to earn certain ranks and earn more commission. So let's say that a gold affiliate is going to earn 50% commission on their sales, and silver affiliates earn 25%, bronze affiliates earn 15%, and affiliates, the basic affiliate level, earn 5%, for example. So that is something that we're going to be doing in the next video, is setting up those basic ranks. And now I also spoke about commission value. That is something I'm going to go into more detail on in its own video as well. But commission value is the percentage of the sale that your affiliates are going to earn. And now there's lots of ways to ensure that this isn't going to bankrupt you and to ensure that your affiliates are being paid out fairly for their work. But again, like I said, I'm going to go into that in its own video. So the rest of these videos are going to be dedicated to setting up the overall compensation plan, which is your affiliates, getting them selling to their level 1s, and setting up those commission rules so that they are earning a percentage of the sales that they make on your behalf. So let's get started with setting up ranks in the next video. I'll see you there.